Yeah? Who wants to know?
Well, we were looking to buy one of your motorcycles for $50.
$50? I ain't got no $50 motorcycle.
Well, how much will you sell it for then?
I only got one left, and it's gonna be at least $100 for you guys.
Well, we have $74.45. Is that enough?
You got $74, and you got 45 cents.
Yes, sir.
That's all you got?
All
You
we got.
sure?
Yes.
Sir.
All right, you got a deal. Come on.
What is this?
That's your motorcycle.
This is a motorcycle?
Yeah, get the other end there. I'll show you. There you go.
What the hell is it? It's just a bunch of boxes.
That's your motorcycle. That's what you paid for. Now, deal's a deal.
What is this? This is just a pile of boxes. We don't know how to put a motorcycle together.
Well, you should have thought of that before you came over here. David, get on out here.
Yeah, what's up, Gus?
You need to help these boys put this motorcycle together.
Why me?
It's your job now. You get out. You guys got 15 minutes and get this thing out of here. Now get to work.
Oh, hell. Let's get to work, boys.
We're finally done.
About how long was that?
14 and a half minutes, I think.
Hey, what's this last box doing here?
I don't know. Let's check it out.
We don't know how to put a motorcycle together.
Well, how much will you sell it for then?
Well, we were looking to buy one of your motorcycles for $50.